Hello, so today I know it's a little different. I normally don't talk in my videos, but I decided that I should let you guys know why I am drawing with a lone mechanical pencil today, and it's just that I think my technique lacking in a lot of ways. And I'm hoping by only using one tool, I'll be able to better my overall drawing technique and shade in an effective manner. Hopefully this will help me get better. I hope this video helps you in some way. Consider subscribing to my channel because it really helps me a lot to know that you guys are liking what you're seeing on this channel and like this video. So thank you for watching, and let's get on with the show.